Hello YouTube. So I'm super stoked to talk to you today about something I've been wanting to do for a while, and that's create a proper vlogging setup with my GoPro. As you know, there's a lot of different solutions out there that sometimes appear kind of cumbersome, and while searching on AliExpress I noticed that they came out with this new type of case. So we're going to do an unboxing of this Ulanzi AliExpress vlogging case. We're going to do a unboxing of this Boya BY-MM3 AliExpress microphone and a couple of readily available GoPro parts, including the audio adapter, and see how it all comes together. So first, I'm super excited to open up this. Now, it looks like just the standard case. But after opening it up, you will see that it actually has a spot here to slide in the GoPro mic adapter. So I'm gonna have to figure out exactly how this all fits together. But the GoPro mic adapter fits into this slot somehow, and creates a nice little microphone holding package for the GoPro. So let's take a look inside the microphone box here. Some look at the specs on this microphone. Now, one of the reasons why I bought this microphone as opposed to a directional microphone is that a lot of my vlogs are open box, and having a directional microphone from the GoPro pointing down at the subject wouldn't necessarily help me very much. So okay, so we've got the microphone here. We've got a dead cat here. What else we have in here? We have, it's like some foam to cover the microphone. We've got the adapter, both right angle one and straight connector here. Now let's see how this all goes together. First, I'm going to try and put the GoPro in here. I'm going to take off the USB-C door. I must say, as far as GoPro aftermarket cases go, this one feels very well made, very sturdy. Yeah, on first impressions. Snaps into place. May have put this in the wrong way. Well, this is one little bit of an issue here because it doesn't exactly fit nicely. Oh, there we go. Okay, got it figured out. Okay, So I used to fit something like that. It's got the adapter up here. Just like that. We've got angle cable. Probably get a smaller cable actually than this one. Set it like that. So far it's looking pretty sick. The dead cat is a little bit tight here. I don't want to wreck it, but it doesn't seem to go on as easy as I thought it would, or thought it should. Okay, well, anyways, got it on there. Attach it to the GoPro Shorty. Now, like I said, okay, so now I've got this setup all put together. It did take me a few minutes to figure out the correct way to put the audio adapter in this case, but I must say this is a solid solution for GoPro vlogging. Nice, compact, solid build, fairly inexpensive. The omnidirectional microphone is perfect for speaking to subjects from behind the camera and speaking at the camera from in front of it. Yeah, this is a great setup. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some sample videos with the GoPro and see if we can hear much of a difference with this microphone. Okay, this audio is coming directly from the GoPro with no mic adapter. Okay guys, do your counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
Thank you. Okay, now this is with the GoPro audio adapter and the Boya mic. Okay guys, let's hear counting again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going over numbers.
Okay, so I just want to point one thing out. I was having problems getting the mic adapter to work on the GoPro. The mic did show up in the GoPro menu settings, like the additional mic settings where you could select mic, mic plus, etc. But it was not actually recording audio. So after some YouTube searches, and I came up with the reason why, and that is you need a TRS adapter, and you cannot use a TRRS adapter. So if you want to look at the difference between the two 3.5mm audio jacks, the one on the left is a TRS adapter, the one on the right is a TRRS adapter. The TRS adapter has 2 bands. The TRRS adapter has 3 bands. If you use the TRRS adapter, you will not record any audio. Luckily, my Boya microphone did come with 2 different cables. So the one cable being this TRS to TRRS adapter cable, and the other one being a straight TRS to TRS. I was able to buy a angled TRS adapter with a coiled cable on AliExpress for about $2 shipped to Canada. That's what I'll be using once it comes. So I hope you enjoyed my videos today, and that if you like any of these products, please click about them below and subscribe. Thank you very much.